Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. This video shows you how to fix iPhone unavailable without iTunes or a computer. If you want to fix iPhone unavailable without using your computer, there are two methods to choose from. The first method is to tap on the Erase iPhone option on the iPhone unavailable screen. Tap Erase iPhone. Tap Erase iPhone again. Enter the password for the Apple ID used on this iPhone. And tap Go. Your iPhone will automatically erase itself to get out of unavailable mode. Simply wait a few minutes for the erase to finish. Your iPhone has been unlocked. The second method is to fix iPhone unavailable from another Apple device. This method works if you have another device that shares an Apple ID with your unavailable iPhone. Go to your other Apple device and open the Find My app. Select the device option. Select the iPhone that says iPhone unavailable. Tap Erase this device. Tap Continue. Tap Erase. Enter your Apple ID password and tap Erase again. The Find My app will remotely erase your iPhone to get out unavailable mode. Neither of the previous two methods worked for you? You can actually fix iPhone unavailable on your computer without using iTunes. Open your computer and go to the official iSumsoft website. Locate the iPhone passcode refixer software. And download it. Once the download is complete, run the downloaded file. And follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your computer. Also, make sure iTunes is installed on your computer, but you don't have to use iTunes. Now, open the iSumsoft iPhone passcode refixer. Select the Unlock Lock Screen option. Click Start to confirm that you want to use this option to unlock your iPhone. Connect your unavailable iPhone to your computer with a USB cable. Then force reboot the iPhone to enter recovery mode. Click Next. The software will automatically detect your iPhone. Click Download to start downloading the firmware required to unlock your iPhone. Wait a few minutes until the download is complete. Now, click the Unlock button. The software will immediately start unlocking your iPhone. The process takes a few minutes. Your iPhone has now been successfully unlocked. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.